Guys, I got a great opportunity for you. We got Mr. Michael here. He's going to show you how to adjust the seat for a beginner. He's a very tall guy. So talk about how do you adjust your seat. What are you doing right now?
So this right here is going to move your seat forward or back. Obviously, if I scoot it forward like this, I'm not going to be up at the steering wheel like this. That's not how I like to drive. My knee's a little too close to the steering wheel. Of course, I could, change the steering wheel as well if I wanted. Nice. Right here is the steering wheel adjuster. You could even scoot it back out or forward. I got long arms, so I prefer mine to be more forward. I also prefer my seat to be more back. I like to drive like this with my hands on the bottom of the steering wheel or up here. Sometimes I'll put my hand up here, and then this right here will just be back of my seat. Now, most people prefer to be upright like this. I like to be leaned back a bit. Even though I sit like this, I don't really support my upper back as much as my lower back. So that would be a little tutorial on how to adjust your seat.
Can you talk about your foot and how you pivot your foot between the brake and gas? What method do you use? Do you pivot your foot? Do you lift your foot? What do you do?
Right, so yeah, like when I'm driving, all I do is I just lift. I'll just come over here, lift, come over here, lift. And the muscle memory is just like after a few drives in a newer car, like it took me like 2 weeks to get used to the pedals in this car, and it's all muscle memory from that point.
That's awesome. Can you tell us about the style of your car, please? What type of car is it?
This is a 2021 Dodge Challenger SXT blue. It's got all-wheel drive. Goes from 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds. And she's low on fuel. I need to get some gas.
Okay, we'll do a tutorial getting gas. Okay.
Yeah, we'll go get some gas real quick.